cooperating. You're violating my Fourth Amendment rights.
No, stop.
Outside.
You're violating my Fourth Amendment rights.
Hey, you guys cannot come in here without a search warrant.
Get the phone.
I'm videoing.
Get the phone.
Cooperate.
I'm cooperating. I'm not fighting you. I'm not fighting you.
Outside now.
Walk outside so we can talk.
Okay. Enough. I didn't do anything. You just tased me for no reason.
Do you have a search warrant?
We don't need a
search.
Yes, you do.
You might want to go to school and learn the law.
I already know the law.
In this video, police responded to a neighborhood dispute involving a motorized bicycle and an argument between a father, his son, and a neighbor. Officers claimed someone reported a possible gun. When police arrived, the situation quickly escalated at the family's home. The father invoked his Fourth Amendment rights, while his young son, who was remarkably aware of the law for his age, also challenged the officers as they pushed their authority beyond constitutional limits.
Stop.
Outside.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Stop.
What am I being detained for?
Outside.
What am I being detained for?
Just stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. No, don't take his phone. Don't take his phone. Don't take his phone. I'm good. I've chilled the whole time. I haven't done anything.
Relax.
I haven't resisted.
Officers.
I'm trying to just talk to you.
I am behind my back. This is unbelievable.
No, I know.
This is
They
unbelievable.
walked in the house without a search warrant.
This is unbelievable.
Okay.
It's all on film. Get my camera.
It's on my phone too.
It's on my phone. The whole thing is on film. The whole thing is on film. Jack, follow me and record.
Right this way.
Follow me and record.
Give us space.
I'm not.
Give us space.
Okay.
No, Jack.
What's your space? What's your space?
Jack, record the whole film. You're recording.
Give us space.
Does this look like enough space?
My camera fell somewhere back there.
What am I doing? You don't twist the handcuffs. You're injuring me. I'm not resisting.
Daddy, do not let him in my house.
Anything, bro. You saw that. You saw the whole thing, and it's all been recorded.
It is.
I didn't resist.
I know.
I didn't do it. You know. See, he acknowledged that I didn't resist, Jack.
Yeah, I have it on video.
I didn't resist.
But we asked you to stop, right?
I didn't do anything against your instructions. This guy came into my house without a warrant, without any probable cause.
Let me just talk for a second.
I said, I don't know anything, and he tackled me in my house.
Under the Fourth Amendment, the Supreme Court has repeatedly described the home as the place where privacy protections are at their strongest. For officers to enter legally without a warrant, they typically must demonstrate exigent circumstances, such as immediate danger or the risk of evidence being destroyed.
He told you to stop, right?
He did not say anything of the sort.
Officer,
It's all
I
on
heard the
video.
whole thing, and it's on video, so-
It's all
I
on
know,
video.
it is.
It's all on video.
It is.
Dude, that guy is out of control. I'm filing
Officer,
a complaint against him. I
officer.
want him nowhere near me. That guy is crazy.
It's
Officer.
just me and you, right?
Okay, yeah, I'm fine. No, he can
No,
talk.
no.
He can talk.
No,
I can
not
talk
what I'm
because
trying
I
to
was
do.
in the
You're gonna arrest
situation.
him?
No, I'm not going to arrest
Okay,
you.
then calm down. Then just what? Like,
Well,
he
you want
can
me to talk to you?
He recorded the whole thing. This guy is out of
listen to me.
control.
Okay.
What's your badge? What's your name?
Step back.
I'm not.
Look, he
I'm
just
on my
touched me.
property.
You can record all you want, but
Another
you're
one,
stepping back
another
right
one.
now.
This guy,
Back.
Hey, don't
Back.
touch me. Stop harassing me.
We're just trying to.
I'm videoing this. You can please get out of my personal space.
No.
Yes.
You're not gonna
Get out
interfere
of my
with what we're
personal
doing.
space. This is my property. Please
You're
get
not
out of my
gonna
per-
interfere with an arrest.
I'm chill. I've been chill.
You can record all you want, but you're not gonna get close to what they're
I'm
doing.
on my property. Move out of my personal space.
I'm gonna stand right
This is
here.
my personal square. Please move.
I'm gonna stand right here.
Please move. You're in my personal space.
No.
What's your name?
Yeah, I do not need to give you that.
Yeah, you do.
For what reason?
Jack, don't do
Because you're
it.
I know.
involved in this.
I'm involved with this. Yes, but this guy threatened me and called the cops on you. And what's your badge number?
What's your name?
What's your badge number? Badge number. That says name.
3K12.
Okay.
Now, what's your name?
I'm not making any statements.
You're not making any statements?
Nope.
Okay, I have the right to identify you. You understand
Okay.
that, right?
Then you can search up my face and you can search up my record.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, you're gonna sit tight for a minute. You're not going anywhere.
I can go in my house if I
No,
want.
you
Am I
can't.
detained?
You're detained.
For what reason? For what? That
you're
guy
going
threatening me? Why isn't that guy going to jail? That guy threatened to beat me in his ass. So why aren't you guys arresting him?
That's not the
Why aren't you
information I
attacking? Yeah. He can just lie.
Jack,
We were trying.
Jack, step back and keep recording.
I'm literally in my space and this guy's just touching me.
I didn't touch you at all.
I have it on video.
I've been recording this whole time, buddy.
What are you
Okay.
detaining me for?
Right now, you're under arrest for resistance.
Well, I already know your name's Jack, and I'll get your last name in a minute. So.
Cool.
Nothing.
You're fine.
Nothing. He's
You're
got
fine.
Nothing.
You're fine.
This guy is ridiculous. You violate my Fourth Amendment rights. I'm filing complaints against you.
Step back. Do not step forward. What did I
Hey,
just
then
tell you?
please get out of my space.
I do not have
Okay,
to. You
then
cannot interfere with what we're doing.
I'm not interfering entering when I'm on my property.
Don't step towards the car.
I'm not. Then
you
move out of
did
my
step
way.
towards the car. I told
Okay.
you not to.
He tried to run from us.
What's your name?
Officer Ware.
Okay, and what's your name?
We're going over this, Officer Proctor.
Okay, I didn't go over it. Don't. You can't. Hey!
Stay back.
I'm going in my house.
Stay back.
I'm going in.
If you try and come past me, you're going to go on the ground face first. Do you understand
Okay,
me?
and then I'm gonna file a complaint against
Go get
you.
your camera.
Go grab your camera. Yes, I'm allowing you to do that, but you cannot walk in my house.
There you go.
Okay, bye. I have 3 cops on me, and I'm 15 years old. Cause you guys intruded my house.
So you were the one driving up and down the street on the motorcycle?
I was on my gas bicycle.
Okay, that's a gas-powered vehicle. You have to have a driver's license.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do.
Not when it's 50cc and you have a permit for it. I'm staying next to my car, so I'm gonna go talk to over here. Can I go around him?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Please don't walk up behind me, okay?
I asked him.
Okay.
Did they threaten to like beat? Did he threaten to
Yes.
beat us up or anything?
Yes.
Okay. What did he say? What did
He goes, that bike is illegal. I said, no, it's not. It's a 50cc bicycle, and I have a permit for it.
Okay.
And he said, get out of the way. He was on his little road bike. He said, get out of the way or I'm going to beat your ass. So I don't, if you guys want to believe him, and we have 2 witnesses, he has 0.
Okay, hold on. Calm down.
Just calm down. Calm down.
No, I'm pissed off because you guys just came in our house.
Okay, but we tried to come here to ask a question and figure out what's going on because what we got told is a gun was involved in this incident. So we're going to
gun
take this a little
No
more
gon,
serious.
no gun was involved, not
Okay.
at all. I don't know why you have to.
We don't know that when
We don't know that. That's
I know.
That's what I'm saying.
I
So
understand
we're gonna
that.
come,
Yes, I
okay?
totally understand that,
Okay?
but you can't just tackle him.
But when he's told to stop, he has to stop. That's a lawful command by an officer.
We can get physical.
Okay?
But you can't just come in the house without
Yes,
a.
We have to
can.
control this situation.
Do you have a
Yes, we
search
can.
warrant?
We don't need
We don't need
Yes,
one.
you do to
You
to
might
come
want to
someone's
go to
house.
school and learn the law.
I
before you
already
wanna
know
try
the
to-
law.
No, you don't.
Okay.
Okay.
We're not going
No,
to
you
argue.
don't.
Okay, please don't talk to me.
Okay.
So I'm get out of my way. Okay,
This is my case.
it's your
So I'll
case.
talk to you as much as I want.
Okay, well I'm not
to
gonna respond to you.
You don't have to respond
Okay.
to me, but I can talk to you.
Have a good day.
Okay. So, told you get out of the way, or he's going
Let's
to
take him to the
kick your ass, beat your ass, whatever it
Yeah.
was. Then what
Beat my
happened?
ass. And I rode my bicycle back here. He ran back with me. I closed the garage and I told my dad.
Okay.
My dad was like, "Who is this? If anything goes farther, I'm gonna have to call the police." He walks outside to see where the guy is. And,
Your dad?
Mhm.
Okay.
And the guy comes out and he steps and he like, for instance, he walks and he goes like this. He walks right here in front of his face.
So right here or
Like
down there?
no, right down there,
Okay.
at the corner where you guys were parked down there.
Okay.
And he walks up right to his face like this, and he said, "Step back, because you're violating my his personal space."
Okay.
1, and 2, if he steps one more close or he touches him, he has the right to defend himself, and that is easily the right to defend himself. So there's no reason why he says a gun is involved.
It wasn't him that said it. He doesn't even know about this. This was a completely other parties that were watching the whole thing happen.
There was no gun involved.
There was no gun involved.
Okay. Well, I'm just saying what we were told, and it was tucked in his back waistband / pocket, and they seen it as he was walking away. So I'm just telling you, we can only go off the information we're provided.
I understand that.
Okay. So.
But we have 2 witnesses that were literally like on site, and we're telling you the truth, and he's telling you the truth. So
But no one's talked to us yet, and that's where we're trying to get to.
I understand that.
Okay. All right. So that's what. So and then what happened after that point? After separated or?
We walked back inside, and yeah.
Okay.
And now you guys are here, coming in the house, and I don't know why he's detained. I don't know why he's getting arrested.
Well, I'm not going to get into that and talk to you about that. It's,
Well, you can, because he's my dad, and it was on my property. But
Okay. Well, it's not your property; it's your dad's. But we're not going to get into that. Okay.
actually,
That's
technically, it is, because I'm underneath his guardian. So
Okay. But we're not going to get into that. Okay.
Okay.
I'm just trying to find out where what we're trying to get situated.
Okay.
Is what took place between you guys being.
okay,
juveniles
and I'm filing a
Okay.
what's
Just
called on him because he
Okay.
touched me when I did nothing.
Okay.
I mean, if he-
Do you want to have a
where's his
actual
dad go?
conversation?
Where's he going?
To Summit County Jail.
So, okay,
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm more than willing to talk to you, but I'm not going to play the stupid games. Okay.
you kind of are. 'Cause-
Okay. We're done.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I have the case number right now?
Huh?
Can I have where?
We can give it to your dad.
No, right now. I need to hear.
Okay.
Tell you what, you can go in the house, you can do whatever, but we're done with you guys. You guys aren't being cooperative. We'll leave it at that.
We're being cooperative. We just
No,
told
you're
you.
not. You're just being mouthy.
How?
Where's
You're just being
Jack,
mouthy.
stop being mouthy so you can
I'm not.
figure out how
Where's
to... Here,
We're fine.
stop.
We're
where's
fine.
your parents?
My parents are at my house, sir.
Okay. I just
Silver
need to go
Cloud,
talk to them
right?
real quick, just so they know that we talked and whatever.
I think I gave you my address, so you can just go tell them.
You got their phone number?
Yeah, do you want to
Just give them the number. We can
Yeah.
call them.
Do you want to just call them?
All we need to do
I
is
can just
just
give you my phone. You can talk to my
yeah.
mom.
I just need to let them know that we talked. That's all.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
And you can tell her nothing was wrong because nothing was wrong. Look at this shit. Just for some dude saying that my dad had a gun. Saying my dad had a gun. One, he has a concealed carry permit. And two, we have 5 cops pulling up to the house, a fire truck and an ambulance for no reason. He got tased 3 times in the stomach for no reason. This cop is intruding our property for no reason. He's coming in and tasing him. He's arresting him for resisting arrest in his own house, and he came. Both officers, Proctor and other officer with no hair, the other with white hair, walked in, tased him 3 times, and came in the house without a search warrant. And he never stepped outside because I watched him. What's his name?
This guy?
Yeah.
Officer Rodriguez.
Officer Rodriguez. Is he a lieutenant? Is he
He's an officer.
just an officer? All right. You're like begging me for my
Okay, but here's
identification.
the thing.
Just so you know,
I'm not talking to you.
You're
I'm
required
talking
by
to you.
law.
Jack, let me explain something to you,
Okay,
Jack.
I'm not talking to you.
Jack, the reason we're here is because of you racing your motorcycle or your gas-powered bike or whatever.
That I have a permit for.
Okay.
So I don't know why you're here. And you're
just
here.
told you
You're
why
here
we're here.
because he told me because someone called the cops saying that there was a gun involved. So you don't have to lie because I know that guy.
No. We found out there was a gun involved later.
No, when someone called, he told me you guys came here for that. I have it on video. I don't
All
care.
right.
You guys can say whatever.
Have a nice day, all right?
Okay, you
Here
too.
was he wants to hear. So.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Following an internal investigation, Officer Rodriguez was found to have violated 5 department policies, Sergeant Thor, 3, and Officer Ware, 1. Later announced that the entire Park City Police Department would undergo First Amendment training. Rodriguez and Thor received disciplinary reprimands, but failed to complete required corrective actions and were terminated. This encounter raises a key constitutional issue often seen when police confront citizens at their homes. The Fourth Amendment generally requires officers to obtain a warrant before entering a residence. While limited exceptions exist, police must clearly justify any warrantless entry. When arrests or force follow such entry, courts review whether probable cause, consent, or an emergency truly existed, showing why understanding constitutional limits on police power is essential.